Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound removal on TikTok. So if you open your TikTok application and if you open your video and your video has no sound, TikTok shows you the notification that sound removed due to copyright restriction. Now to solve this issue, there are two steps. So to apply the step one, which is actually settings, and then we have two settings in video. So to apply the settings, you have to tap on these three bars in the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. Open this account first option and then tap on this switch to business account. If you have personal account, you have to switch to business account. Click on that. Next, continue. You can choose any category and then just simply click on next and just simply create your business account. So our first step is done. Now the second step, which is also very simple. Click on this plus icon here to import your video. Then select your video and click on next. It will show you this type of dashboard here. Just simply tap on this add sound in the top. Now you will see some of sounds here. Simply you can select any one. I will select just random. Here you can see this is selected. And now as you can see our sound is added. Now tap on this arrow here, then it will show you this voice option. Tap on it and then just increase the original sound little bit and decrease the edit sound and click on done, and now you can post your video. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.